now back to the show.
All right. Well, this part of the show is our monthly topic. And this month we're talking about blueprint to breakthrough business growth, how to create a clear strategy that sets you apart from your competitors. So, really, I guess what we're talking about is just differentiation. How do you differentiate yourself from other businesses that are kind of in the same industry? And from a business development standpoint, differentiation is the process of distinguishing a company's products, services, or brands from its competitors in a way that creates value for its target audience. So we all have a differentiator. So I guess we'll start with Harvey. Harvey, what differentiates Twilight Cleaning Services from your competitors?
Well, I think the biggest thing for us, Scott, is we don't just clean. We create those last first impressions. And what kind of sets us apart from other cleaning companies is our commitment to excellence. We strive for our safety and being involved in the community. Team members aren't just janitors; that we call them first impression specialists. We train and certify them in the blood pathogen safety, OSHA compliance, and lead the industry in cleaning standards. We also specialize in say serving businesses in health industries such as the schools, daycares, churches, and offices, ensuring a spotless and safe environment every time. But beyond the cleaning, Scott, we believe in building relationships. I think that's what really makes us stand out. We really want to partner with our businesses to provide a customized cleaning solution that meets their unique needs. And as a Christian-owned company, we stand for our values: integrity, being dependable, being involved in the community, and most importantly, we like to invest in our team with ongoing training and support first responders and youth and local organizations. So at the end of the day, our mission statement is simple. Our business is making your shine. So if you're looking for a cleaning partner that goes above and beyond that, Twilight Cleaning Services is the name to trust.
Yeah, and I think that's a big deal that you mentioned there was relationships. And I mean, if you've watched me for very long, you know that's kind of my hot button as life is relationships and everything else is details.